you're an aspiring content creator on TikTok, then this video is for you guys. And if you want to make content creation your full-time career, you kind of got to know how often you guys should be posting on the app. So that's what we're going to cover in this video. We're also going to cover the best times to post and then how long you guys should be waiting in between your posts, because that stuff all matters, and we're going to cover it all in this video. So let's get right into it. So you basically want to know if posting more on TikTok actually helps you grow faster. Well, the short answer is yes, but the long answer is actually a lot more complicated, and we'll cover that all right now. If you want sustainable growth on TikTok, you gotta have a balance between quality and quantity. And of course, starting at 0 followers or a low following count, you're gonna have to go harder on TikTok in order to grow that following. So you guys are gonna need to be posting content that is quality and quantity, which, you know, it's gonna be hard at first, but most people will quit as soon as it gets hard. So as long as you keep up the quality and quantity and don't quit, you're already ahead of 99% of the people on TikTok who will just burn out after the first week. So the main goal is not to burn out, but have a nice between quality and quantity. So aim to post 3 to 4 times per day with quality and quantity. And the best way to do that is to have a good content strategy, which we covered in this video here. So guys, make sure you go check it out. But anyways, another great way you guys can be, keeping up with 3 to 4 times a day posting is to add value in some of your posts and then use trend in your other posts. So to start off, try to aim for 2 posts that are trends and 2 posts that add value to your audience that are either, information or a gameplay or something that's a little bit harder to post, and then 2 trend videos. So keep it simple at first, and then if you guys can add more value, then go ahead, go for it. But 2 trends, 2 add value, 50-50. The next thing I'm gonna be covering is how long you should be waiting in between your posts. Be waiting at least 3 to 4 hours in between your posts if you're just starting out. Now, if you've been around for a little bit longer, make sure you guys are waiting at least 1 to 2 hours. This is because you want to give your post time to breathe, because at first your posts are going to get pushed to your followers. So if you overwhelm your following with a bunch of posts within an hour, people aren't going to watch it. But if you wait a little bit longer, it gets pushed to your followers and they'll watch it. Like, so for example, 1 to 2 hours gives your post enough room to breathe and your followers enough room to breathe as well. Therefore, they'll watch your video through, and then they'll watch your other video through once you post it in another hour or 2. But what a lot of people make the mistake of doing is they'll post, one after the other, after the other, after the other, and TikTok will actually mark you as spamming. So don't do that, guys, especially if you're a new account, because if you're a new account and you're posting like in a row, you're basically gonna kill your account off right away. So just take it nice and slow. Wait about, if you're starting off new, like I said, new accounts 3 to 4 hours. If you've been around for a while, at least 1 to 2 hours. Another thing I'm gonna cover real quick is do not worry about spamming your followers or whatever. So if you guys think 3 to 4 times a day is too much because you're gonna be showing your followers too much of your content and they're gonna get sick of it, do not worry, guys. Like 99% of your videos will be shown on the For You page. That is kind of what your goal should be. 99% should be going to the For You page, and 1% should be your followers. So basically, most of my videos on all my pages are 1% of my followers see them. That is why TikTok is so good, because you're gonna reach a new audience every single time you guys post, which is gonna give you a really good chance of gaining new followers every single time you post. So do not worry about, oh, I'm gonna spam my followers, or I don't wanna spam my followers because then they're gonna unfollow me and stuff like that. Do not worry, because most of your followers will not see your post, and unless they're specifically looking through the following For You page. And if they're doing that, they probably like your content, so they're gonna be very happy that you're posting. Moving on to the best times to post for your account. Now, if you want to know the best time to post for your account, all you have to do is go into your home page or your profile page, go ahead and click the lines on the top right, go into the creator tools, and then go into your analytics. Once you're in your analytics, you can go to your content tab, scroll down a little bit to the trending tab, and basically this is your trending videos in the last couple days. Look at these videos, kind of see when your top videos were posted in the last week or 2 or however long it's been. Check out, what time they were posted at, and from there take away 3 to 4 times that work best for you and start posting at those times. Now, another way you can see what time is best for you to post is go over to your followers tab and look at when your followers are most active. It's going to give you a rough idea of what time your followers are active. Therefore, when you post, your followers are going to like your post. But like I said earlier, your followers aren't going to really see your post either way, but it is good, an initial push, because in order to get on the For You page, your followers do need to like your video. So it does get pushed to some of your followers at first, and then it'll go to a broader audience, that's not your following. So it is good to have your followers active once you first post, just so it gets that initial push. If you guys struggle with content or growth on TikTok, make sure you guys check out this playlist right here. It's gonna give you everything you need to be successful on TikTok and make content creation your full-time career, which is our job here at Virality Now. So make sure you guys hit that subscribe button and take care. We'll see you next time, and I hope by next time you guys have a massive following, or at least a bigger following. Take care, guys.